I'll never forget that day. It was my very first day of the job, my very first job actually, and I made sure to wake up super early so that I could beat the morning jam. Anyways, I'm on the road driving to work. Everything is okay. It was a smooth ride. I've got my favorite playlist on, and I've got a job. Life is good, you know. But it felt like it was too good. That's why I started to overthink. I felt like I forgot my laptop, or is my notebook there? Did I leave it on the counter? So I looked down to really quickly rummage through my bag just to make sure I have everything. And I swear it was just for a split second, but by the time I looked back up, right, I was about to crash head first into a huge traffic jam. Imagine the sight. Hundreds of cars getting closer and closer and closer. In that moment, I thought my life was over. Thinking of the damage I've done to the truck, the other guy's car, and the people who were involved actually. Do you know how much damages that's going to cost? It's going to be a lot, and I'm going to be paying for it for the rest of my life. But what actually happened was, right, a super loud beep just screamed from the truck, and the seatbelt held my body into the seat. The car had just stopped itself, probably just a few inches before the car in front of me. And I could not believe it. I'm okay. The truck is okay. It's a huge miracle. So please, guys, just stop by the roadside if you ever need to take your eyes off the road, even if it's just for a split second. Although I am super thankful that these safety features were built into the truck, this was how I was saved by Isuzu ALLSIGHT.